when we first occupied the building next door and started building out our bakery, we realized that we needed more space, both for the bakery, for our offices, and a long-term dream of mine was to get into more local foods and bring the market community that we've been working with along as we went into a commercial space. So Proof is a farmer's market bakery for the most part, and along the years we have met farmers, ranchers, growers of all kinds, and we really believe in bringing food communities closer together, in understanding what's in our foods, in reducing the amount of transportation necessary to consume foods. And so this place was born of that set of goals. 20 original vendors came to a pop-up market over the course of a few days. And it went so well that everybody decided to come back to start last year in 2021. The store has been evolving ever since then, and it has been run by a longtime Proof employee named Lacey. She started with us at a farmer's market and has been with us ever since. However, she had a baby last summer, and she is ready to get a little bit closer to her family back east, so she's moving very soon. We are looking for a new store manager for this place. And in particular, I guess I wanted to cast a pretty broad vision. Main Street Harvest is a big project on its own. Those of you who have been following along know that Proof right now is busy, full of its own projects. So we have a big vision for this place, and it's to connect the community to the most local food supply chain possible. So every single vendor that brings food into the store produces the food here in Arizona. We have Arizona grains in here, Arizona pastas, honeys, jerky, prepared foods, which is a really interesting category. The store is a way for people to start a food business and immediately have an economy to sell their food to. We work with people in licensing and regulation. We just went through our own crazy ordeal here with the store at the beginning of the year. There was a permit with the county that we were missing, and we almost got shut down. The county asked for us to pay fees and get this permit in, and actually the community really rallied to make sure that we didn't have a lapse in business. We got the permit that we needed. It was really a small deal at the end of the day, but this place has been a launching pad for businesses already. We partner with an organization called Local First Arizona, and what they'll do is allow their vendors in the community kitchen that they have to come in for a month to this place for free, and if it goes well, then they can start selling their food here thereafter. A number of new businesses have caught a little bit of a community appeal as a result of this program. So one of the ones I'll call out is banana pudding. This gal started her food-based business in a community kitchen nearby, a Local First kitchen, didn't have a market, started selling her banana pudding here, and we can't keep it on the shelves. It's really tasty. So this store is more than just necessarily farmers or growers, but also on the food preparation side, it gives newer businesses exposure to the same types of people that come shop at farmers markets. From a manager or a leader of this place, we're looking for somebody who is business-minded, but business-minded in perhaps a little bit of an alternative sense. We are a community building business here, and so we have this responsibility as the store that a lot of these local suppliers are working with to help them grow to a point that they can retail their products. We have a responsibility of sourcing new, good local goods. So it's somebody that wants to get out in the community and be out in the market scene, beyond the market scene, figuring out who's growing food, who's raising chickens, who wants to do this beyond just their home level. And also encouraging more and more of this kind of activity in our community as a whole. This store thrives on events, so we're looking for somebody that would be good at planning events. We do holiday type markets that attract different types of people to our store, raise awareness of local food, and bring in thereafter regular customers. Grocery is a hard business to be in. It's a really low margin business to be in. We are currently able to sustain ourselves, and then we're still contributing towards the salary of the leader in this store from the proof budget. So we're offering a base humble wage, but with the opportunity to potentially even partner with us as the store develops. Step one is actually support the salary of the store's leader. Currently, the store can support the rest of its labor and its rent and whatnot. So it's going pretty well for the first year. This was actually a highlight of the last quarter. We brought in a refillery. So these are a bunch of household goods, like everything from floor cleaner to shampoo, and you can bring reusable containers and just refill in bulk. That way you're not using a glass or plastic container one time and then disposing of it. So we're trying to connect to the community and bring in other local makers, artisans, growers, ranchers, be a hub for the community, be a conversation area for the community. It's a big project, and it's not a project driven purely by profit. It's a project driven by a complement to what we already have in the bakery. It's also a project that I cannot devote 100% of my attention to because I'm split between this and proof. So we're looking for somebody extraordinary to come along board. We're hoping that this video spurs some conversations. We'll add some contact information on how to get in touch with us if this is interesting to you, and go from there. We're looking to bring somebody on this spring for this role, and to really bring this store from what is just a foundational level to a full community grocery store. It's still in some form of a pop-up right now. It's still, you see a lot of barren space in here. If you just look over here, the store is literally half empty. We have an entire basement underneath that we can use for backstock, for pantry, for perhaps even food production. We want to get into food service in this store as well, because this store generates its own perishable waste, and so does the bakery. And we believe bringing it together into prepared foods could connect more people to what we're trying to do around here. So if you think working with Amanda and I would be particularly interesting, if you think working in community food would be particularly interesting, if you believe that food in general can change the world, these are the types of traits that we're looking for in a leader for Main Street Harvest. I hope to see some of you apply, and we'll be in touch.